Hi everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step process of locating, creating, and securing your ClickUp Personal API token. This token acts as a secret gateway, allowing external applications like Zapier to talk to your ClickUp data programmatically, making it essential for any advanced automation. Step 1. Accessing the correct workspace. First, open the ClickUp workspace where you intend to generate the token. It is incredibly important to verify that you are logged into the correct account right now. If you manage multiple workspaces for different clients or projects, generating a token in the wrong one can lead to major troubleshooting issues later on. Step 2. Navigation. Once you've confirmed your workspace, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This page is the central hub for your account, and it's where you'll manage all your personal integrations. Step 3. Finding the API section. Once you're in the settings page, look at the sidebar on the far left-hand side. You will need to scroll down through the menu until you see the option labeled ClickUp API. If you can't see it immediately, don't worry. Sometimes screen resolution can hide it, so just keep scrolling until it appears. Step 4. Creating your app. Now click on Create App. Keep in mind that an app in this context is just a label for the specific automation you plan to build, not a separate piece of software. Give it a meaningful name, such as Automation Bot. Fill in the required fields and confirm the creation. Step 5. Retrieving credentials. Once the app is created, two credentials will appear: your client ID, which acts like a username, and your client secret, which functions as your password. Your personal API token should also be visible in this section, usually with a copy button for easy access. If the token doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or checking your email for a security verification message. Step 6. Security and best practices. Finally, let's talk security. You must treat your API token, client ID, and client secret as highly sensitive credentials. Never expose them in public repositories or share them in documents with others. Only use them in trusted integration setups to keep your workspace data safe and secure. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.